Ever wondered how to make the perfect pancake at home? The kind that's light, fluffy, and golden brown, with a little bit of crispiness around the edges? Well, fret not. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets behind crafting the perfect pancake. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. The journey to pancake perfection begins with combining the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt until they're thoroughly mixed. Next, it's time to bring in the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, milk, and egg. Melt the butter and let it cool briefly, then whisk it into the wet mixture. Now, it's time for the magic to happen. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and stir until they just combine. A few lumps are perfectly fine. In fact, they're desirable. Over-mixing can lead to tough pancakes, and nobody wants that. Once your batter is ready, heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat. Add a small pat of butter and let it melt, coating the surface. Drop a 1/4 cup of the batter onto the hot griddle. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip with a spatula and cook until golden brown. Remember, patience is key. Resist the temptation to flip the pancakes too early or too often. Once on each side is enough. And there you have it, the secret to making the perfect pancake at home. It's all about the right ingredients, the right technique, and a little bit of patience. In summary, here are the key steps. 1. Gather all your ingredients. 1. Combine the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet ingredients in another. 1. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and stir until just combined. 1. Cook the pancakes on a hot griddle, flipping once when bubbles form. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to pancake perfection. Enjoy the process, and most importantly, enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes.